Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Before I proceed, I would like to tell you something. And yes, the workshop is back again, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. I'm conducting this workshop after a 4 to 5 months gap. Okay, I was having some personal problems, so I could not conduct any workshops. So my dear friends, if you really want to learn about the market, then you can check out the link in the description. The workshop will be in both Hindi and English, दोनों लैंग्वेज में ही रहेगा. So लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप देख लीजिए. हो सकता है आप सबको ज़रूरत पड़े, आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे. Now let's look at the chart of DXY. Okay, first of all, we can see that DXY is right now standing at 113.00. This is the current market standing of DXY. And already we have discussed in our previous videos that overall the DXY is an uptrend, undoubtedly, but we can also see that DXY right now is unable to cross the previous highs. And if you look at the chart precisely, then we can see a symmetrical triangle kind of a pattern here. And right now market is just standing at the top here. So if you just observe the market carefully, then you can see that already market has squeezed. Okay, and in a scenario like this, okay, maybe during the European session, US session, or by next week, Monday, Tuesday, we will see a breakout on DXY, maybe towards an upside or towards a downside. We still don't know yet, but yes, there's a high chance of a workout, because whenever we see a pattern like this, okay, we usually see a breakout. Okay, so please be careful. And right now DXY is standing at this line here. So, and this line is acting as a dynamic resistance, okay, for the last couple of days and weeks. So if it goes down, then obviously we will see some recovery on the chart of gold. Okay, so please be careful with the chart of DXY, because a breakout is coming very soon, I think so. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So gold is trying to take temporary support around 1626, 1624. This is the temporary support of gold right now. You can see that gold is trying to bounce, but is this a good support? No, this is not at all a good support for gold. So the strategy remains the same. If you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made good profit yesterday, and okay, and today also we will do good. Okay. So the strategy is same. 1622 is an important level for the market. In case market shows weakness, heavy selling during the day, and if you see market breaking 1622 and going down, you can take a sell position, and your target will be 1616. This is your target. Market has the potential of going to 1615, 1614 also, but it's better to exit around 1616 level. Okay, 1616 is your target if market breaks 1622 level. And on the other hand, if market goes up, let's say as we have just seen on the chart of DXY, the DXY is standing at the trend line at the top. So if DXY starts coming down, okay, in that case you will see some recovery on the chart of gold as well. Okay, on the chart of gold, okay, though we have a trend line at the top which is acting as a dynamic resistance also, but I don't think so this trend line is a very good resistance or market line. To be honest, I do not trust trend lines much these days. Okay, and most importantly, market has already tested the trend line too many times. Okay, therefore it's quite risky also. Anyways, still, in case market goes up, we can expect 1635 to 1633 to act as a minor resistance for the market. If market goes on, and if you see market reversing from this particular levels here, then you can consider taking a sell position. But please be careful, because things are not very promising, okay, at the top. Okay, already market has tested the trend line too many times. So if you take a sell position also, please follow proper risk management, because taking a sell position can be risky. Okay, because already we have received plenty of opportunities from the trend line. Okay, actually the thing is that whenever you find market testing a level too many times, okay, the level slowly loses its strength. धीरे वो अपना ताकत खो देता है. Okay. So in this case also market has tested the trend line too many times, so it's better to be on the safer side. If you see the market is trying to cross the trend line but showing strong price rejection from above, market is showing bearish engulfing kind of a pattern, then only take a sell position or shooting star kind of a pattern. And please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. Okay, bye bye, take care.